Welcome everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to unlock the secret language of failure codes. You'll learn what they are, why they're crucial for maintenance and operations teams, and how they can boost your efficiency. We'll also go over some common failure codes you're likely to encounter and give you a 5-step guide to using them effectively. So, if you want to leverage data to improve your maintenance and reliability, stay tuned. Failure codes are alphanumeric codes that offer detailed insights into why an asset failed. This data is stored in a system like a computerized maintenance management software, or CMMS, or an enterprise asset management system. These codes, when used correctly, play a crucial role in various analyses to identify the root causes of issues and how they can be rectified. Failure codes serve as a standardized method of identifying problems, which is easily recognizable by the technicians viewing them. Depending on the program used to generate them, they may provide a roadmap to a more detailed description of the issue, or the information may be contained in a single encrypted line. But remember, this information needs to be decoded. Now let's talk about the 3 major functions of failure codes. Firstly, they help improve maintenance efficiency. Failure codes can highlight recurring issues, allowing for corrective measures to be implemented. Secondly, they assist in tracking and identifying issues over time. Recording failure codes over time allows management to generate analytical reports, which can form the basis of an ongoing continuous improvement program. Lastly, they aid in creating in-depth work orders. Most CMMS solutions allow management to sort by time, date, location, or asset, providing flexibility to examine where and when failure codes are occurring. This data can then be used to create detailed work orders that address both the core and consequences of the failure code. Now let's explore some common failure codes that all computerized maintenance management systems will generate at some point. These include maintenance codes, user mistakes, calibration problems, asset defects, contamination problems, computer issues, overheating codes, leak alerts, failure to start codes, and equipment jams. So how can we best use the information contained within these failure codes? Here are 5 steps. 1. Identify failure modes. 2. Set up appropriate failure codes. 3. Include the failure code components on work orders. 4. Optimize work orders. And 5. Test and scale as needed. It's important to note that the accuracy of failure codes is heavily dependent on the quality of the data input. Therefore, it's crucial to adhere to failure code best practices. These include keeping your failure codes organized, logical, consistent, and simple. Next, it's important to close the loop between the failure code and the fix. This depends on accurate failure code data, but it can also feed into this data in question. Finally, it's crucial to integrate your failure codes within your software. If companies cannot address failure codes in a timely manner, they'll continue to operate damaged equipment. So, what's the best way to move forward? The answer lies in the data that failure codes provide. By analyzing the root problems that these codes point toward, companies can make changes that not only fix problems, but also implement preventive measures to prevent issues from arising in the future. In conclusion, failure codes can provide invaluable insights that can drive your business forward. They can help identify and rectify issues, improve efficiency, and even prevent future problems. So, embrace the power of failure codes and let them guide your company into a future of improved maintenance and reliability. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of failure codes, how they can improve efficiency, and the crucial role they play in maintenance and operations. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, the future of improved maintenance and reliability is just a click away.